Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can install Klarna payments in Shopify, or how to add Klarna to Shopify. So let's get right into it. This is a very comprehensive article I found on Klarna docs, so it could be very useful for you guys, so I do recommend checking it out. It will probably explain in much more detail and much better than I can, since Klarna is not available in my country, but alas, let me continue. As you can see, first you need to install both, so you need to make sure that everything is installed, both Klarna and Shopify, and that everything is set up completely as it should. Now you can install the actual app, since only the full store account owner can install Shopify payments. Make sure that you're logged into the app as a store owner. Then you can install the Klarna Shopify app. Once you do, you will need to connect your applications. You do need Klarna API credentials, which you then need to use to pretty much add Klarna anywhere, either in Shopify or any other storefront. And yeah, make sure that you don't share these pieces of info, since they might be important to you. You might not need to enter these anywhere. It will be automatically done, but make sure that you get the credentials, generate and connect the credentials, and save the API. Then in the next step, you need to verify the integration, and afterwards you need to activate the new single payment method. And once you activate it, it should be good. There are a few steps which are just verification as far as I know, and recommendations. So yeah, to summarize, you need to install, you need to log into the Klarna merchant portal first, and then go to the merchant account, complete the installation, then log into your Shopify admin account, select the correct store to be associated, and then create the API credentials and connect them with the store. And if you're not connected, follow your integrator steps. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm sorry that I couldn't be of much more use. I don't know how to do this since Klarna is not available in my country, but I tried using this article to explain as quickly as I can. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.